Nice doors.
Yeah, they're about to get redone. I got 480 going I got 480 going both doors.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobVile at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's your name, man?
Steven.
Steven, okay.
Yeah.
What all is in here?
418 FU audio, 6 order, Skar on the mids and highs, and 4K audio pipe on the bass.
4K audio pipe?
Yeah.
Is it 4K?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 ohm, half ohm, 2 ohm?
1 ohm.
1 ohm.
Well, it's half ohm after box rise. Well, before box rise.
Gotcha. And it's a 6. What's the rear tuning?
I forgot what he took. Man,
You don't remember? Or front tuning, or just
about between 22 and 25.
22 and 25?
Yeah.
Okay. You still working on it?
Yeah, we did that this morning. We finished up this morning. Literally.
Okay, I was gonna say I could tell you probably still got to seal it off and make it look pretty.
We was up all night.
Really?
Until up to the day.
Up to today.
Yeah.
That's bass head at it right there. That's what I'm talking about. Sorry for shutting the door.
Yeah, you good.
Okay. Whew. Any what's your doors? You said just Rockville?
Yeah, Rockville 6.5.
Okay.
But I'm putting some more Rockville 8 in the door.
Yes, sir.
With on the tar amps.
Tar amps? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What's your name?
Steven.
Stevens. Okay. Any alternator or stock?
Stock alternator.
Okay. All
2 batteries, and 2 deep cycles, and dry cell in front.
Okay.
The whole big 3, everything.
Big 3 done?
Yeah.
That'll help a lot. Oh yeah. Skar Tweeters, are those working too?
Yeah, all is working.
Oh yeah.
Screaming.
Straight out here shit now. It's DJ Rusticles. Yes.
Your bitch want party with party. Party in a party. Diamonds all over my Cardi be brain on offset. Martian guard. Who got no pink in the gut? Who got the rings in the truck? The dollars go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you a wannabe card. Bottom MJ moonwalk on a bitch. Moonwalking through your clique. I'm moonwalking in the 6. Make it with the kick. Moonwalks in this bitch. I'm for the motherfucking trunk. I keep the pump in the trunk. If you bad, then jump. Now leave your bitch in the slum. Your bitch want party with party. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Chain all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on money. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Bitch, truck lane to lane. Blow up the train. I want insane. I jump a check on the chain. Hook up a check in the
Woo. That's good voltage. Wow.
Stock alternator.
Yeah. And you said you're starting at half ohm, rising over 1.5, 2 ohm. Okay. Oh yeah. What kind of subs again with FU?
FU audio 750.
750s, that's right, yeah. That's a big blow through.
Cardi be brain on offset. Martian guard. Who got no dick in the gut? Who got the rings in the truck? The dollars go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you a wannabe Cardi. I'm moonwalking in the 6.
yeah. Heck yeah. I know it's still a work in progress, but it sounds really good. They look like 18s, but they're only 15s.
Not 18s.
They are? Oh, okay, so I was wrong. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
For a second, I was like, it's a small motor. It's kind of hard to tell. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I plan on going some bigger subs, but that's different now.
Oh, I'll make it work, man. Hey.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. To be honest, I'm sure you're not even giving the subs the power it's rated at. You know what I mean? Maybe close to it.
I mean, 750 a piece.
750? Oh, that's what they're rated at?
Automatic.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So 750 watts 18s. There's not that many 18s like that. Okay.
You got your I'm pretty sure your sundown probably like 6.
Maybe.
6, 7. But you know sundown take more than that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Most subs do. Is it okay if she gets to hear it?
Yeah.
Hey, Jess, you want to hear it real quick? I'm gonna get some outside flex.
All right.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi everybody in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi everybody in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow up the brain. I go insane. I jump a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the plane. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage, 21. Send her on Savage in Aston, yeah. High-end cars and fashion, 21. I don't eat pussy, I'm fast, on God. I'm a blood, my brother crippin', bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin', I like hot sauce on my chick, on God. I pull the rubber off and I put hot sauce on her tit, 21. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 to 21. All these VVS's, nigga, my sperm work for me, on God. The bitch so bad, I popped a Miley for I hit.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi everybody in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang.
That one's a little high for the lows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 31 to 49.
31 to, okay. That probably plays, how low does it play, do you know? Have you still tested it?
Yeah. The lowest I had was the 19 what was it? 19 to 31.
Oh, wow, okay.
It's DJ Rustic.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi everybody in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow up the brain. I go insane. I jump a check on the chain. Pick up a check in the plane. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Look at this motherfucker party. God, you take your bitch at the party. God, you take your bitch at the party. God, who that be flags Martian? God, who that I'm thinking the cut? God, Who got the bricks in the truck?
What's wrong?
You're starting to smoke right now.
Wait, what's happening? Something smoking? It's probably just the wire connection.
I thought I smelled something.
Yeah, same here. That's why I kept trying to look back and see what it was.
Yeah, I thought I smelled something. It'll
It's-
be alright.
You just gotta double up on wire, you'll be fine.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the power. I had to do outputs on
He has a little issue. What's up, man?
What happened?
His wire's burning up because it's only single run. Yeah, you gotta double up. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Droppin' Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.